Hi friends, now I will tell and show you how to quickly add text for your video in CapCut on PC. Let's get started. For example, I recorded this short video in Minecraft that would not make the text on the usual black background. Next, in the upper left of the screen, open a tab called Text. Click on this key to add text to our track. In order to increase the duration of the text display, I stretch it to the size of the entire recorded video in Minecraft. Select our layer with the text. And in the upper right corner, we see all the window related to customizing the text. Let's change the text itself. I will write the name of my channel. Just below, we can choose some other font for your text. I'll put this one, for example. You can also narrow and stretch the area for the text. You can make your text bolder if it is not in the font, slant the text, or underline it. Choose the color, letter format, all uppercase or small. Also, already CapCut provides several styling options for your text. Choose the one that suits you, and if you don't like one, you can go below and see what other customizations are available for your text. Just pull the sliders and see what changes. Now you know how to add text in CapCut on PC. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you and good luck to you.